Friends, this is D. Srinivas in front of you. Today I am going to explain exercise problems about surface areas and volumes. So on my previous videos already I explained very detailed information about basics of surface area and volumes. Today we are going to discuss some solved exercise problem. Let us see. Now first question is, find the surface area of a cube whose edge is 6 centimeter. Whose edge is 6 centimeter. What are the keyword here? Every question have some keywords are there. Yes, this is the keyword of your question. Surface area and edge is given 6 centimeter. These three keywords I am using and solve the answer. Chalo. Solution. Yes. What we know that surface area of a cube, nothing but 6a square centimeter. Here measurements is given centimeter, that is the reason I have to keep it here centimeter. Now we should find surface area. Yes, that is equals to 6. Yes, edge consider as a. Edge is considered as a. So 6a square. A value is 6. Substitute 6 into 6 square means 36. Now that is nothing but 216 square centimeter or centimeter square. This is the total surface area of a cube. When the edge is given, we should find area. And area is given, we have to find edge also. See like that example. You have to see one more example. Find the edge of a cube whose surface area is 432 meters square. We should find edge. What are the keywords in this question? Yes. Find the edge of a cube and surface area is given. This is what? Cube. So that given, yes, total or surface area of a cube equals to capital A, it is divided by 6a square meters, right? Now I am going to do that. What is given? A is given, surface area value 432 meters square is given. We should find edge. This is your question mark, right? A value 432, 6a square, right? Now 6 is transferred to left side, it will becomes to denominator. Now a square. 6 1 ja 6 7 ja 42. 6 7 ja 42, 6 2 ja 12. So a square equals to 72. A equals to square root of 72. Now 72 does not have any perfect square. Now it is converted into simplification. 36 2 ja 72. Now separate the roots. Now I am going to simplification. Root 36 value 6, root 2. This is a final value of your. Therefore edge of a cube is 6 root 2 meters or root 72 meters also correct. But more it is a pure set. I am converted into mixed set. That is called 6 root 2 meters. Edge of a cube is 6 root 2 meters. Example, the perimeter of each face of a cube. Each face of a cube is 32 centimeter. Find its lateral surface area. In this question, what are the key points are there? Keywords are there. Let us round up it. Yes. Perimeter is given. Which perimeter? Cube. Right? Which we have to find? Lateral surface area. These are the three keywords are there. Yes. Now we know that, yes, perimeter of cube is nothing but 4 into edge. Perimeter of cube is nothing but 4 into edge, like a shape of perimeter of a square. Now how much is given? Yes, 4 into edge means 4a equals to 32 is given. Now a equals to 4 1 ja 4 8 ja, a equals to 8 centimeter. Yes, I got edge. Then I should find LSA of cube. We know very well LSA of cube formula, lateral surface area of cube, like a 4 walls room, nothing but, like a 4 walls room is nothing but 4a square. Chalo, 4, a wall you already we got it, no? 8 whole square. You know very well, 8 square means 8 is 64. Now 64 into 4, 256. Now what is the measurement? Centimeter. So centimeter square. This is the lateral surface area of a cube. When perimeter is given, we have to find lateral surface area. Now I hope that you have to understand these 3 example about cube. Now we are going to discuss last example, last model of cuboid. Now 3 cubes of each side is 4 centimeter are joined end to end. Find the surface area of resulting cuboid. Cubes are joined to end, 3 cubes are joined to end, then it will become like a cuboid. Is asking surface area of cuboid. What are the key points in this question? Chalo. Here, this is the keyword, join end to end. How many cubes? 3 cubes. Find surface area of a cuboid. These are the 4 key points are there in this question. Now let us see the solution part given. First cube, like this will be there. This is a cube. Yes, like this. How many cubes are there here? Join to join, end to end. Like this I am getting 3 cubes. For example, you have to observe. Here, how many cubes are joined? 1, 2, 3. These 3 cubes are. First cube is having edge is 4 centimeter. Second cube is having edge is 4 centimeter. Third is also having 4 centimeter. Join end to end. It becomes, what is happened? Yes, it becomes like a cuboid. It becomes like a cuboid, like this. You see? Yes. First cube, second cube, and third cube. Yes. Find the resulting cuboid. Yes, simple. Now it is nothing but, it is total value 4 plus 4 plus 4. Nothing but length of cuboid. Now height. H here 4 centimeter. Length, breadth, height both are equal in cube and cube. No. Here height is nothing but 4 centimeter and breadth. This is the breadth. Breadth is nothing but also 4 centimeter. Only the 3 cubes are joined together end to end. We have to get only length is change. Now breadth and height will be same. Here height is same. Here breadth is also same. Actually, we know very well in cube length, breadth, height both are denoted by A only. Here length is 4 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter, height is also 4 centimeter. So that then he is asking surface area. Right. What is the surface area of a cuboid? Surface area of a cuboid. You know very well that is nothing but 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. LB plus BH plus HL. So you know very well here L value is 12. Yes, L is 12, B is 4, height is 4. Dear friends, you should understand 3 cubes are joined together, only length will be changed, but base and height, breadth and height will not change. Now B 4 plus B again 4, H 4 plus H 4, L 12. This is called LB, this value is called BH, this value is called HL. Now let us see. Now 2 is the common term. 12 4s are 48 plus 4 4s are 16 plus 12 4s are 48. Yes, sum of 48 plus 48 96. 96 plus 16 112. So 2 into 112 224 centimeter square. This is the lateral surface area of resulting cuboid. Thus, surface area of a cuboid is 224 centimeter square or square centimeter. So I hope you have to understand these all the 4 examples very clearly, and I should give such a practice questions also. You do practice questions, you will get good knowledge, and Don't forget me. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.